बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आप देख रहे हैं मास्टर स्क्रीन यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में हम आपके साथ डेटा वेयर हाउसिंग के फाइनल टर्म में आने वाले मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड रिपीटेड एमसीक्यूज विद करेक्ट आंसर्स आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे। इस फाइल को तैयार किया है इंजीनियर बासत अली ने और वेरीफाई किया है बाबर सदीकी ने। अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ वाले बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलते रहें। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, ड्यूरिंग द डेवलपमेंट फेज वी शुड फॉलो स्टैंडर्ड्स फॉर। ऑप्शंस आर नेमिंग कन्वेंशंस, कैलकुलेशन, लाइब्रेरीज, ऑल द गिवन ऑप्शंस, एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑल द गिवन ऑप्शंस। The second question is, as per Kimball's approach, the second phase of data warehouse life cycle is, options are project planning, requirement definition, requirement verification, requirement validation, and the correct option is requirement definition. The next question is, Bill Inman argues that requirements are well understood only after. Options are they are documented, they are extracted and verified, data warehouse is populated, all schemes are defined, and the correct option is data warehouse is populated. The next question is, waterfall model is appropriate when. Options are when budget is low, when the deadline is strict, when resources are limited, requirements are clearly defined. The correct option is requirements are clearly defined. The next question is, a bottom-up implementation approach is useful when. Options are technology is matured and well understood, organization cannot implement latest technologies, the business objectives are very much clear, all requirements are well documented. The correct option is organization cannot implement latest technologies. The next question is, technical architecture design specifies the. Options are project schedule, minimum project completion time, required components, umbrella activities. The correct option is project schedule. The next question is, Dash says that as far as company goals are concerned, the entire company pursues in the same direction. The options are Westerman, Bill Inman, Kimball, Bohlian. The correct option is Westerman. The next question is, as per Bill Inman, a data warehouse in contrast with classical application is. The options are data driven, resource driven, requirement driven, time sensitive. The correct option is data driven. The next question is, the dash phase of fundamental data warehouse lifecycle model includes data warehouse scheduled maintenance. Options are deployment, operation, enhancement, maintenance. The correct option is operation. The next question is, following the coding standards during the development helps to. Options are minimize the future rework, verify the requirements, to refine the project scope, to establish the test cases. The correct option is minimize the future rework. The next question is, as per Kimball, Dash is main operational process. Options are requirement extraction, global design, business process, scheme design. The correct option is business process. The next question is, in Dash phase of a fundamental data warehouse lifecycle model, a working model of data warehouse is deployed for a selective set of users. Options are design, prototype, deployment, operation, and the correct option is prototype. The next question is, Waterfall is an dash model. Options are iterative, simple linear sequential, object oriented, rapid development. The correct option is simple linear sequential. The next question is, one of the drawback of waterfall model is that options are customer cannot review the product during development. It does not work when the resources are limited. It does not define the project timeline schedule. All of the given options. The correct option is customer cannot review the product during development. The next question is, spiral model is dash. Options are sequence of waterfall model, risk oriented model, and iterative model. All of the given. The correct option is all of the given. The next question is, dash refers to the overall process of discovering useful knowledge from data, and data mining refers to a particular step in this process. Options are statistics, knowledge discovery in database, clustering, information cleansing, and the correct option is knowledge discovery in database. The next question is, in data mining initially you dash want, you are looking for. The options are know, don't know, may or may not know, none of the given option. The correct option is don't know. The next question is, in context of the most fundamental data warehouse lifecycle model, which of the following is not one of the data warehouse design activities? The options are end user interviews and re-interviews, source system cataloging, definition of key performance indicators, system vision development. The correct option is system vision development. The next question is, a top-down implementation approach is useful when options are technology is matured and well understands, organization cannot implement latest technologies, the business objectives are very much clear, all requirements are well documented. The correct option is technology is matured and well understands. The next question is, which of the following is not one of the methodologies for data warehouse project development? Options are goal driven, data driven, user driven, system driven. The correct option is system driven. The next question is, in context of data mining definition, the term value means the primary key of the table, index location of the record, importance of hidden patterns discovered, numerical of string measure assigned to an attribute. The correct option is importance of hidden pattern discovered. The next question is, in context of clustering, the term distance means. The options are similarity, dissimilarity of record, the difference between the primary key of two records, the relation of a record with corresponding record in child table, none of the given options. The correct option is similarity, dissimilarity of record. For smooth data warehouse project implementation, one of the recommendations is to have options are full-time project manager assigned to the project, QA team ready for testing the code, design of complete project before implementation, components of complete project before implementation. The correct option is full-time project manager assigned to the project. The next question is, identify the true statement. Options are clustering is unsupervised learning and classification is supervised learning. Clustering is supervised learning and classification is unsupervised learning. Both clustering and classification are unsupervised learning. Both clustering and classification are supervised learning. The correct option is clustering is unsupervised learning and classification is supervised learning. Mining multidimensional database allow users to. Options are categorize the data, analyze the data, summarize the data, all of the given option. The correct option is all of the given options. The next question is improper documentation results the problems like options are maintenance issue, new developers unable to configure already existing code, lot of time required for enhancing the code, all of the given options. The correct option is new developers unable to configure already existing code. The next question is in 4-cell quadrant technique, the quadrant's vertical axis refers to options are scope, feasibility, resources available, the potential impact or value to the business. The correct option is the potential impact or value to the business. The next question is which of the following activity executes parallel with all other activities in Kimball's data warehouse development approach? The options are requirement elicitation, project planning, project management, deployment. The correct option is project management. The next question is what means what? The phrase refers to options are metadata, external data, transformed data, internal representation. The correct option is metadata. The next question is which of the following is not one of the top 10 mistakes that should be avoided during data warehouse development? The options are not interacting directly with end user, not being an accommodating person, isolating IT support people from business users, training the users with dummy data and considering it success. The correct option is not being an accommodating person. The next question is in dash phase of Kimball's approach, we identify the components needed now and in the future. Options are requirement definition, architectural design, product development, analytical application development. The correct option is architectural design. The next question is which of the following is not a task of data transformation? The options are conversion, summarization, enrichment, full data refresh. The correct option is full data refresh. The next question is which of the following is not one of the examples of dynamic attributes? Options are daily sale, date of birth, air pressure, none of the given option. The correct option is date of birth. Which of the following is are examples of static attributes? Options are employee name, employee date of birth, employee blood group, all of the given option. The correct option is all of the given options. The next question is in context of analytical application track, the application development activity can begin after. Options are database design is complete, a subset of historical data has been loaded, the data access tool and metadata are installed, all of the given option. The correct option is database design is complete. The next question is classification consists of examining the properties of a newly presented observation and assigning it to a predefined dash. Options are object, class, container, subjects. The correct option is class. The next question is dash is the technique in which existing heterogeneous segments are reshuffled, relocated into homogeneous segments. Options are clustering, partitioning, aggregation, segmentation. The correct option is clustering. The next question is as opposed to the outcome of classification, estimation deal with dash value outcomes. Options are discrete, continuous, isolated, distinct. The correct option is continuous. The next question is dash incorporates the concept of product quality, process control, quality assurance and quality improvement. Options are total quality management, intrinsic data quality management, realistic data quality management, strong data quality management. The correct option is total quality management. The next question is the dash dimension represents data correctness. Options are free of error, completeness, consistency, correctness. The correct option is free of error. The next question is which of the following is not a data quality validation technique? Options are referential integrity, using data quality rules, data histogramming, indexes. The correct option is data histogramming. The next question is dash don't typically keep the index values in sorted order. Options are dense index, sparse index, B-tree index, hash based index. The correct option is hash based index. The next question is parallelism can be exploited if there is. Options are symmetric multiprocessor, sufficient input output bandwidth, underutilized or intermittently used CPUs, all of the given options. The correct option is all of the given options. The next question is in dash index, the ith bit is set to 1 if the ith row of the base table has the value for the indexed column. Options are inverted index, bitmap index, cluster index, join index. The correct option is bitmap index. Thank you for watching for this video. For further updates, please subscribe our channel. Allah Hafiz.